Hi everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry. Are you eating healthy and exercising 5 days a week and overindulging on the weekends? Then this video is for you. If you're eating healthy, complying with a diet and exercising 5 days a week, then overindulging over the weekends with calories, very likely you're offsetting your efforts. For myself, there was nothing worse than waking up Monday morning and knowing that all my hard efforts that I did the previous week was offset due to the weekends over snacking. I'm going to share with you just a couple of tips from my breakout or break-even long-term weight loss system that's designed for lifestyles, and the end result is that our results are going to come from small behavioral changes, not from diets or gimmicks. So on my website, I have some tools that you can use to help you with your long-term weight loss. The first thing you want to use is my questionnaire that's going to ask you a couple of questions such as, realistically, how often can you work out? What's your short-term goal? What's your long-term weight loss goal? And then you can even go to my other page, which has calculators to help you get started. You will find out your BMR, total daily energy expenditure, and even METs. Everything that you need to get started. Another practice you can consider is that each day you reflect on the day's efforts and you always find something that was successful. So I hope you find this video helpful. It's really just general ideas on how to get you started. Now, if you're looking for more support, I do have an online long-term weight loss support group, and the link is in the description. You may also go to the website to check out those tools I was talking about. Whatever you do, don't give up on your goals, and anything is possible.